hindi ko na matandaan kung kailan ako nag-last PET scan. Yung pinakaunang PET scan was probably late September or early October. Nakakaul lang. Yun, he had a cancer scare talaga. Pero nung nag-ano na sila, colonoscopy, endoscopy, I was fine. Etong bagong ginawa, ito lang, so, yung bago mag-Mother's Day.
May,
Mother's Day?
oh,
Sorry.
Mother's Day. Second week of May.
No, May 12 ang elections eh. So, May 11. Oh, see? That's Nurse Day.
Yes.
Anyway, so parang, hindi nga kami. Pinag-aaway namin yung what trivial matters.
Especially the dates.
Yeah, kasi parang, medyo naaalala ko. Kasi wala nga akong balloons ng time na yun. Hurt na hurt ako.
Kaya dinala ka ni Bim ng balon last week.
Hurt na buhan kami.
Yes.
So anyway, meron naman nakita dun time niya na fluid in my lungs. Pero konti lang naman daw, pero still, paano ka magkaka-fluid? Eh, na-clear ako for pneumonia, basta lahat ng test nagawa. So, you're wondering why. Sabi ko, that's life.
Pero you're cancer-free. Di ba you never had cancer?
Yeah, parang OA na. Sa dami naman ng autoimmune. Kung magkaka